was the resolution of reduction or discontinuance of classified employees at Clayton Valley High School.
I pulled this just to have a clarifying discussion around this because some of the positions listed, it will, for example, there's a number under resignations, and I'm presuming they're resigning from our school district in order to join the charter school. Some positions don't necessarily mention what it is they're doing, so I'm trying to sort out in terms of the conversion of Clayton Valley to a charter school. Which positions, are all of these positions being eliminated because staff is resigning to join the charter school, and that was a condition from our district?
Let me go through the process with you.
Thank you.
If you see a position on here that has a resigned after it, that means that the person did choose to go to the charter school and they submitted a resignation because they have chosen to sign a contract with the charter school. There are other individuals that chose to stay with the district, and our first focus was through the transfer article of the contract for the different unions to try to find them a position in our district that they could transfer into. So we were looking for all vacant positions. If somebody retired in the middle of the year or so forth, we were trying to save those positions for these people to move into. At this point in the year, if you see a position listed in FTE and it doesn't have any comment after it, there's no resigned or whatever, these are people that wanted to stay in our district, and at this time we don't have a vacant position to offer them, so we do have to give them a 45-day notice. So what will happen now when these individuals receive the 45-day notice, their seniority will be looked at and they will have the legal right under the education code. In some cases, they have sufficient seniority to bump out a less senior employee and take a position from them, and then that person in turn we would have to try to relocate to another position. So we will now go through the layoff process, and that's in the articles of each of the unions as far as how that process works.
Okay, thank you.
Board members, do we have a motion?
I'll try again. I move the classified personnel resolution of reduction or discontinuance of classified employees at Clayton Valley High School. Resolution 11-12-43.
Is there a second? Motion by Ms. Denler, second by Ms. Mayo. Any board discussion? I will call for a vote on the item. Ms. Mayo, how do you vote?
Yes.
Ms. Denler?
Yes.
Ms. Hanson?
Yes.
Mr. Eberhardt?
Yes.
And I vote yes. Motion carries 5-0-0.